Firstly, I want to say an amazing thank to our group's members for every effort they put on the work, and we work together very quickly and very effectively. As you say, results very colorful. As we are very colorful from many corners of the world, but they cooperate in it, and you see that it's a very colorful picture and very nice. We want to represent a Pisgah Center, and we follow the idea of Jean Piaget, who is a Swiss psychologist and educator, and quite very popular in cognitive development of children. And his idea is freedom in education, and we want to take this idea to make our idea is abilities become talents here. Like in our Pisgah Center, we want to transfer the idea of freedom in the educational sphere to teachers, so that they can help their children, their students, to become more creative and freer in everything they do. So as you see, firstly we need to concern about the infrastructure that we see here is very good.
Okay, so our idea was that we actually don't need a big staff in business center.
Training workshops where people can share experiences is first resource. Then we have books as usual.
So to get this one, we try to make a schedule how our Pisgah will be works. I don't know if tomorrow, but anyway. Two things especially work in us. One was the what the teachers needs and what the teachers needs to improve. Sometimes we thinking about the students, but in this case especially, we don't think about the kids. This is the second step. We are now talking about the teachers. So we divide the 5 days of the week, and the most important thing for me, you see these one spaces over here? You don't see it. Hey! Did you see the spaces over here? No, right?
The pink one.
I know.
The pink one.
We have little spaces for the person who needs something for themselves. So we get many training here, many school development, but we reserve some little spaces, 1 hour and a half, I think, yeah, an hour and a half, only for the person who goes to our Pisgah to thinking about something by himself. So if they need something about psychological, not to go to talking with me now, no. If they need something about spiritual, about the
Available.
Available to the teachers get the schedule. So to me, I know to make a schedule is a pain in the neck, because how to evaluate the idea to evaluate without do something bad with the student or doing something bad with ourselves too. Okay? ICT.
First of all, we discuss on our objective, and then we propose different name for that. So we started with maybe it's a center of excellence. Could be. Finally, we decided to have to mix the idea of two proposals of the inclusive center and the global competent. So our objective is to create a center where different color means the 7 different color they look.
And then Department of Basic Education. After the training, the teachers are work for primary school, middle school, and then high school. So they are the stakeholder, and then Department of Basic Education is request for this school needs. Subject.
What are the crucial subjects when you want to have a teacher center? So, please. new
Our
ideas.
group discuss.
Every time I'm happy speaking about teachers' development, really. So this is my job, and to hear a new ideas, for me, it makes me happy. Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you.